Having an effective lead magnet will help generate more leads for your business as you go through this path of marketing your business to generate more leads. G'day, I'm Ben Futrell, co-founder of MaxMyProfit and the Business Acceleration Blueprint. And in this video, I'm going to take you through 4 things that you need to ensure to make sure that your lead magnets are effective. Now, if you're wondering what a lead magnet is, it's something that you can put on your website, on social media, that you can share out with somebody else's database that will encourage your prospects to download it and opt in. And by opting in, they'll give you their details, whether it's their email address, their name, their phone number. We'll talk about that shortly, but they'll give you some details. But what you know by them downloading this lead magnet is they're probably interested in what it is you offer. So for example, it could be a checklist, it could be a white paper, it could be a guide on how to do something, it could be a how-to video, whatever it might be. This lead magnet has to help somebody solve a problem. They download that and all of a sudden now you've got a person in your database that is a prospective customer. And one of the challenges with lead magnets is understanding the best way to create one that is effective. Now, my current studies and information I've received is telling me that anything that is taking too long to consume is becoming ineffective, i.e. something like an ebook. And back in the day, you probably saw that people would offer ebooks as a lead magnet. Well, they're not working as well as they used to. What's working now is things that are going to be easy to implement and get a quick result from, something like a checklist or something like a how-to video that gives them a tool or resource to be able to get something done quickly. But I'm going to give you the 4 steps to making sure your lead magnets are effective. First of all, it's got to be easy to create. It's no good having a lead magnet that's going to be awkward for you to create. So if your lead magnet is a 6-month course on how to do X, Y, Z, well, that's not easy for you to create. A lead magnet should be something that can be created in an afternoon maximum, right? You don't want to be spending a lot of time creating a lead magnet. It's something that you can create easily and that's simple for you and efficient and cheap for you to create, so you can put it straight to work, and if it doesn't work, you can quickly go and create something else. Because here's the thing, I'll give you the newsflash, is not all lead magnets are going to work gangbusters, but you will come across some that work really, really well, and so you want them to be easy to create. Second thing is they have to be easy to download. Now, I've seen some lead magnets where once I try and download them, people ask for way too much information, or it becomes complex. I have to do a test of some sort before I can download something. You want to make it super easy for people to download, and you'll see that your download rates will go up if you make it easier. Now, on a note, you will find that you'll get more downloads if you don't ask for a phone number. And I've tried asking for a phone number and not asking for a phone number. But when I don't ask for a phone number, I don't get as many sales. And remember, that's the end goal of generating these leads, because I can't contact the person that downloaded the lead magnet. So I ask for the phone number. The 3 fields I ask for is name, phone number, and email address, and that's to deliver the lead magnet. And I always get those 3, but it means that I can contact that person. So make it easy to download. Don't ask for any more information for that. On that note, most people are using mobile devices these days, so test your landing page for your lead magnet opt-in on a mobile device as well, because what can be simple on a computer screen to be able to download a lead magnet can be really complicated on a mobile device. So you want to make sure that it works so it's super simple on a mobile device as well. Now, the 3rd tip I'm going to give you is you need to make sure that your lead magnet is easy to use, and that means that once they download it, they can use it simply. It's not going to be complex for them to use. They don't have to go through hours and hours of training to be able to use it. It has to be really simple and straightforward so they can download it and get to work on it straight away. Remember, this lead magnet is building up your credibility and your authority in your industry and building trust and credibility with your prospects. So if they download your lead magnet, it's super simple and easy to use, and they can get going with it straight away, you're going to get better results. And this leads to my 4th tip, which is making sure that it is easy to understand. Now, you've been in your industry for a long time and you might use a lot of jargon or things that are hard to understand. The quicker they can get this implemented, the quicker they can get the result, the quicker they'll come back to you wanting more help from you from whatever it is that you do. So making sure your lead magnet is simple to understand and easy to use, easy to download, and it's easy for you to create means that you'll get great success with your lead magnets.